2024 Skoda Kamiq and Scala have undergone comprehensive updates, showcasing Skoda Auto's commitment to innovation and sustainability. Both models, built on the MQB AO platform, boast advanced TSI engines from the Evo 2 generation, offering power outputs ranging from 70 kilowatts to 110 kilowatts. The Scala, with its redesigned grille and slimmed-down headlights, exudes a more dynamic appearance, reminiscent of the Vision RS concept. On the other hand, the Kamiq, now featuring a larger grille and rugged SUV-inspired design adjustments, enhances its appeal in the competitive city SUV segment. Notably, both models introduce Skoda's top LED matrix headlights as an option, a first for these vehicles. Interior updates in both models include a restructuring of the product range with 3 trim levels and 6 interior variants. Inspired by modern living environments, the design selections offer coordinated colors and materials. Sustainable materials, such as recycled fabrics, hemp, and kenaf, contribute to environmentally conscious interiors. The Kamiq also joins the Scala in offering a sporty Monte Carlo lifestyle variant, characterized by black accents and unique design elements. The safety features of the Scala and Kamiq extend to their high Euro NCAP ratings, with up to 9 airbags providing protection in the event of an accident. Vehicles incorporate a wide range of assistance systems, including front assist, lane assist, and traffic sign recognition, further elevating the safety standards in their respective classes. Both models boast torsionally rigid bodies, combining safety with exceptional durability and handling. In terms of sustainability, Skoda has increased the use of recycled and natural materials in both the exterior and interior of the Scala and Kamiq. Recycled plastics are employed in components like the water reservoir and wheel arch linings, while natural plant fibers from hemp and kenaf enhance the door trim panels and roof lining. The engine lineup comprises efficient TSI units from the Evo 2 generation, contributing to a more eco-friendly driving experience. The Scala and Kamiq also offer various suspension options, including rough road suspension and sport chassis control. Skoda's commitment to safety is evident in the upgraded features of the Kamiq and Scala. With a range of assistance systems, including front assist with pedestrian monitor and lane assist, both models ensure enhanced active and passive safety. The restructured product range introduces 3 trim levels: Essence, Selection, and the sporty Monte Carlo, each offering 6 interior variants. The inclusion of Skoda's signature Simply Clever details, along with features like the virtual pedal for the electric tailgate, adds convenience and functionality to the driving experience. The Scala, a game-changer in the compact class, receives a distinctive redesign, drawing inspiration from the Vision RS concept. The Scala's expressive headlights, now available with top LED matrix technology, contribute to its sophisticated look. The rear apron, optional extended rear window, and redesigned tail lights further enhance the Scala's aesthetic appeal. The model offers a variety of alloy wheels and paint finishes, providing customers with customization options. Kamiq, as a best-selling Skoda SUV, undergoes updates that amplify its SUV appeal. The larger, more upright grille, newly shaped headlights, and a robust silver diffuser contribute to the Kamiq's rugged appearance. Optional top LED matrix headlights with hexagonal LED modules add a touch of sophistication. The Kamiq's rear section, including the redesigned apron and tailgate lettering, reflects a powerful and dynamic SUV character. Additionally, the model introduces new alloy wheels and a range of paint finishes to suit diverse preferences. Connectivity and infotainment features receive a boost in the Scala and Kamiq updates. The vehicles come equipped with an 8-inch digital display, with an optional 10.25-inch virtual cockpit for enhanced customization. Connectivity features include touchscreens, wireless SmartLink, and a variety of USB-C ports for fast-charging mobile devices. Optional packages, such as the navigation package and technology packages, offer additional features like Skoda Navigation, digital voice assistant LoRa, and the Skoda sound system. The Simply Clever features, a hallmark of Skoda vehicles, make their way into the Scala and Kamiq updates. The virtual pedal, first in the A0 segment, allows users to open the electric tailgate with a foot movement, enhancing convenience. Additional features, such as smartphone storage pockets, a self-affixing box, and optional Simply Clever packages, further enhance the user experience, making the Scala and Kamiq models versatile and user-friendly. In conclusion, the 2024 Skoda Kamiq and Scala represent a significant step forward for Skoda Auto. The updates reflect a commitment to sustainability, safety, and innovation, making these models compelling choices in the competitive compact car and city SUV segments. Whether it's the expressive design, sustainable materials, advanced safety features, or connectivity options, the Kamiq and Scala deliver a well-rounded and modern driving experience.